Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make time go faster in real life. Our perception of time is incredibly subjective, meaning it's largely influenced by what we're doing and how we feel. When we're deeply engaged or having fun, an hour can feel like just 10 minutes. Conversely, when we're bored or waiting, 10 minutes can stretch into what feels like an entire hour. Understanding this fundamental principle is the first step to influencing your experience of time. To truly make time feel faster, immerse yourself in activities that demand your full attention and bring you joy. This is often referred to as achieving a flow state, where you become so absorbed that you completely lose awareness of time passing. Think about hobbies, creative projects, or even a challenging work task. When your skills are perfectly matched with the task's demands, you'll find hours vanishing in what feels like mere moments, making your day incredibly productive and swift. Another powerful way to speed up your perception of time is by actively seeking out novelty and new experiences. When every day feels the same, time can seem to drag because there are fewer distinct memories to mark its passage. By trying new things, learning a new skill, or visiting new places, you create unique, memorable moments. These fresh experiences make time feel richer and more dynamic, preventing the feeling that days are simply blurring together into one long, slow stretch. Finally, setting clear, achievable goals and maintaining an active lifestyle can significantly influence your time perception. When you have objectives to work towards, your focus shifts from the passage of time to the progress you're making. Staying physically and mentally engaged, whether through exercise, learning, or social interaction, keeps your mind stimulated. This combination of purpose and activity ensures that your days feel full, productive, and ultimately pass by much more quickly and enjoyably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.